In Synkronizer, you can choose whether to compare as a worksheet or as a database. Because this choice is quite important, I would like to explain you the difference between the two of them. In a worksheet, you are flexible regarding layout and cells. You basically design your worksheet the way you want it, with the value calculated or entered. So there's no really a guideline what belongs where. So you're absolutely free. On the other side, a database is the opposite of it. You have a very clear structure and you need to work within this structure. The major difference is that a database has a header. This header defines what belongs to which column. Customer name, city, country, or contact name. The rows within a database are called records. Each cell needs to be in the correct column matching its header name. Another characteristic is the key. A database needs to have a key, and the key identifies each of the records. In this example, we have a customer ID, which is unique. This ID defines this record. As another example, we have a database which also consists of a header and of clearly structured records. However, here there is no key or no visible key. We do not have a customer ID that defines a single record. In a case like this, we choose a combination of fields. In this example, it's the customer name plus the city plus the country. These three together build the key that clearly identify one single record. This is the difference between the database and the worksheet. A worksheet is flexible. A database has a clearly defined structure which all the records need to match. So when comparing in Synkronizer and you have to choose, think, is your worksheet a simple worksheet, therefore flexible, or is it a database with a clearly defined structure and records within it? Thank you for watching.